the airplane that led the invasion in airworthy condition is truly a special moment for aviation. On board, the C-47 could carry up to 4,500 pounds of cargo or up to 28 paratroopers or 14 stretchers in particular configurations. That's All Brother has participated in several journeys across the Atlantic Ocean, most recently in 2019 and 2024, where the team retraced the classic ferry path through the United States up through Canada, the States Navy, and the Marine Corps in the Pacific Theater. They dubbed it the PBJ. This aircraft has the ability to carry a payload of some 2,300 pounds of bombs internally. And an interesting fact that I read actually a couple of days ago is that the first flight dates between this B-25 Inside the KC-135, approaching now from our right, some 14 miles of wire and several variations of this aircraft have been outfitted for reconnaissance and aerial survey work. In one mission, payback for Pearl Harbor. It went down in history as the Doolittle Raid as Yellow Rose makes its approach from the right. Airplanes or crew were lost as part of that raid as targets near Tokyo, Yokohama, Kobe, Nagoya, and Osaka were bombed. Suddenly, American morale changed as the headlines across the country boldly celebrated American bombers hit Tokyo. Coming in again from the left, another simulated bombing run. Cameras at the ready as Yellow Rose approaches from the left. Bomb bay open. The original Mitchell bomber was developed for medium-level bombing, but crews in the field modified in airworthy condition today. Air show smoke coming on as they pass over top of Show Center. You can imagine what it must have been like, sometimes being only a recent high school graduate to be thrown into a foreign unknown land. As back home, the Rosie the Riveters making everything from bombs, bombers, and Ladies and gentlemen, from the second bomb wing, let's welcome the B-52. of the pyrotechnics of the Commemorative Air Force's Blasters Pyrotechnic Team. From the left, the B-52 and the Wall of Fire. Feel the heat. Applause from the crew. Commemorative Air Force B-25 Yellow Rose. In just a moment, we're going to be seeing more World War II action as we welcome next to our show an airplane known as the Cadillac of the Sky. It's the North American B-51 Mustang. It's known as Quicksilver. It's flown today by Scott Scooter Yoke, joining us from the great state of West Virginia. Going strong, just like the B-52, and the newest KC-135 in the fleet, built in 1964. And many Stratotankers from that era still flying today. The only other U.S. Air Force aircraft to have that type of longevity is indeed the B-52 Stratofortress.